guys, look how stinking cute. $70. Okay. Okay, so you got a little ghost. And ta-da! He turns into Christmas. Then you take it off and you have your Christmas decor. That was kind of clever they did that.
Yeah,
just put a little sheet over the ghost. It does make music. Wait. LED light. Removable costume. You do get a Santa hat. Here we go. He comes with the Santa. Oh my gosh.
Let me see. I'll take it all the way off.
That's really cute. I haven't seen it yet. 2 in 1.
Isn't that cool?
That's adorable. Adorable. Oh my gosh, pillows here. They're $7. All we have is the haunted house pillows. And then $59.99 for this dude. This dude. That's all lit up over there. Look, it's dude. And the books are $8.99. You got Nightmare, Pete the Cat, Trick or Treat, Pop-Up Peekaboo. So the arch is on sale. $250, $80 off. When does it expire? I can't see.
Expires the 1st of September. And here it is. All lit up.
And the butler, I'm not a fan of him, but he is $150 from $200.
It's supposed to be a gargoyle. I haven't seen it though.
Yeah, every Costco's different. Somebody has a gargoyle. $12.99. And the tree is out. Oh my goodness, look at the tree. Artificial Christmas tree here. Oh, I don't see a price for it. Maybe right here. A little over $1,000. It is a 12-foot one. I feel like the one in Hobby Lobby, to me the quality is better. These do just
They're too plasticky.
too plasticky. And Hobby Lobby, you know, their Christmas trees are always on discount. $700 here for a 9-footer. It looks like these are on discount maybe. These are $300. I swear, like every house in my neighborhood has this. Everybody in my neighborhood. Oh my gosh, look at the plush ornament advent calendar, $29.99. So they have a dog one, and you guys, the cat. That's cute. Oh my gosh. I have no cats. I used to. These are cute. $29.99. And then $55 for the wreath. I'm not too sure if it lights up. A pre-lit? Okay, yeah, it does. And these are back for $50 as well. The flock is $50. The star arch is $380. $380. Trying to find out how much the deer are. I don't see a price for the deer family. $29.99 on the garland. Okay, this is kind of cool. They have the vinyls here. Bruno Mars. This is perfect for. This is kind of cool. $29.99. $30 to get 40 records to collect. That's actually really neat. What do we have in here? Imagine Dragons. Steppenwolf. That's kind of cool.
No Fleetwood Mac.
$29.99 here. These are $30. And then $56.99 here. We have Little People. They have Mario, which is actually kind of cool. The little wrecking ball, that's funny. The pipe one, the turtle. I wonder if this does anything. Let's see. I think it does something. That is just so cool. These are $56.99.
Well, these are cool.
Huh?
It's supposed to look like you get 4 balls.
Yeah.
These are like $30, but this is cool.
And then $39.99 we have the slime march. Oh, looks like you can make realistic food. They made like a stitch cake. You can make donuts. So they have everything you need in here. This is $40. A little Disney one. Okay, that's cool. That is really cool. Christmas. Oh my gosh. Are we even thinking? I thought cool. I thought it was cool.
Oh,
I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I know. I know. And let's see, $23. The Lego. This is still $94. And $29.99 on this one. $49.99. We have the mini brands. Really works. You got a kitchen sink. You got the little oven here. You can make a turkey. Magic Cook and Cuisine here. Look. $50. For real, we have Piper and Lola. Look at that. These are $50. $49.99. That's so funny. $15 on the shirt jacket for women. It comes in navy as well and white. It looks like these are on a discount, $11.99 by 32 degrees of a fleece jacket. Also comes in black. And September 20th. For men, the Gary men's crew neck is $10. Blue, maroon, and they do have navy blue and black. If you're in the market for flannels right now, the weatherproof men's flannel, $10 brown. There's no black. They have like that blue multicolored. Ends on the 20th. The Nike's men's pullover, $37 here. They have blue, black, and gray to choose from. I feel like they have more sweatshirts than men compared to women. I'm trying to look for like the windbreakers because normally we have them. $8.99 on a discount on the Cat men's pocket tee, blue and black and like a beige. Ends on the 30th of August and $13.99. You know what? You could get it now and save it for Easter, like the blue and the cream one. I mean, you get pink too, but I feel like a lot of people make their husbands wear this for Easter, springtime. Quesadilla bites. Okay, they're only cheese though. Stuffed corn quesadilla with 3 cheeses. These are $10. And then carnitas jalapeno poppers are $15.99. Real Good has chicken, bacon, and ranch made with chicken breast, cheese, ranch rolled in a flour tortilla. These are $12.99. 6-gram net carb, 11-gram protein. And then we have the flautas, chicken and cheese. I do always feel like their flautas always change. These are $15.99. $11.99 we have tortellini pasta salad kit. $11.99. That looks kind of good. What's that? French onion, guys? French onion ravioli. Beef with beef sauce. Oh, interesting. Chicken parmesan. This is $15.99. And then they tell me, everyone tells me it's good. Actually, the ladies here, the older ladies, they're like, these are so good. They're very good. And $9.69 on a discount. Ends on the 30th. Marry Me pasta. And these are $10 for your dogs. Like I got a little pumpkin guy, like a gingerbread pumpkin. Oh, look at this guy. I like him. Does he squeak? No, I don't think so.
You just got roots.
And the bat, or the cat, sorry.
His head squeaks. And the rest is a turtle.
Those are cute. New dumplings. Okay, pork and cabbage. These are $12.99. Next to me, these are on discount, $7.79. You get the minis, and of course you get 3. Just Bear Chicken is $13.99 right now, ends on the 23rd. $10.99. $11.69 Farmer's Market. 3 pound with lemon and garlic and avocado oil. Like a bag of veggies. Oh, that's a good one too, just to keep in your freezer. $11.69. And these are $10.99. The fruit shaped dessert. I don't know. Hear mixed feelings about that. Down at the bottom, these are 10. No limit. And then Johnny Pops strawberry are $12.59. Let's see, Angus sliders. These are $16.99. So we have vanilla latte, mocha, and caramel with here. With whole milk though, in case you're wondering, these are $18.99. The pandas are $7.79. You get 32 bags in here. Puffs, milk and strawberry. These are $17. I have not seen these here. And SmartSweets. What do we have? No artificial coloring. Naturally flavored. Okay, what's in here? Well, these are $17.79. These are on discount. I mean, they're not on discount. I was reading the one next to me. For $17.79. And $16.99. Okay, what do we have? Made with 100% grass fed. We have honey, Heights barbecue, and hickory. Alright, you guys, that is going to do it. Please stay safe. This is everything new in the Costco. But please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. Chomp. That's turkey though. The turkey's on discount for $14. Oh look, they have it like Sam's Club, but it's $25.49. I think it might have been cheap. Well, I mean, look what you get though. Something a little different. Sam's Club is all about the chocolate, but these do go on discount at Sam's Club.